In the heart of Borneo, where ancient mountains touch the sky and the oceans whisper tales of wonder, in 2026 the world will gather in Sabah, Malaysia, a land of breathtaking beauty, where cultures meet, where minds ignite, where human capital is reimagined. In a world transformed by AI, by agility, by authenticity, how will you grow? Join us at the 53rd ARTDO International World Conference from September 6th to 8th, 2026 at the Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Attend the 53rd ARTDO Conference in Sabah, Malaysia, and tap on the wisdom of Penn State University professor Dr. William Rothwell, #1 coaching professional Dr. Peter Chi, ITD World Executive Director Sarah Lee Alcaraz, Senior Director for Adobe Hisashi Tsuji, and many more global experts and thought leaders. Join us to learn from the best to be the best, while diving into the wonderful culture and landscape of Borneo with the new friends you make.
Hello, I'm Dr. Josh Taitim, President of ARTDO International. We are in the era of massive change. Artificial intelligence is flipping industries upside down, reshaping jobs, and pushing us to rethink how we learn, lead, and grow. The biggest question that keeps me up at night is how do we make sure our people do not just survive, but truly thrive? That is why this year's theme, Reimagining Human Capital, From Gaps to Growth in the Age of AI, Agility, and Authenticity, feels so urgent. For leaders like you and the practitioners, for organizations everywhere, let us bridge the divide between tech and heart, between skills and real purpose, between today and the future we all want. At the conference, we will dive into practical tips from top global thinkers, fresh strategies for leadership, learning, and growth, ways to build teams that are agile and ready for anything, and the secret to leading with authenticity. This is about real change, the best practices you can take home. I warmly invite you to come experience Borneo's incredible warmth and natural beauties, spark connection with brilliant minds from around the world, and join a community that is actively shaping tomorrow's human capital landscape. Bring your toughest questions, your biggest challenges, and we will walk away with fresh clarity, new connection, and that spark of purpose. Thank you, and I look forward to welcome you to beautiful Sabah, North Borneo, the land below the wind, Malaysia.